Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm going to do an update about what's happening currently for Bitcoin price, because guys, as you can clearly see here, we were forming a very beautiful rise wedge pattern, which right now I have it in a 4-hour time frame, because I would like to show you the bigger candles how forming here, because as you can clearly see, we had the breakout that happened at $21,200 and we moved to the downside with the lowest point touching the $20,400, and right now we're retesting as a retracement this major resistance, which was a very strong previous support, which the time that we broke it on this area here at around exactly $21,100, we move to the downside with an instant dump, and right now we move to the upside. We're retesting this as a resistance, and as you know guys, afterwards we're moving even more to a lower price, and I believe guys that here we're gonna have a big retracement, a big rejection down to $20,000 almost instantly. I believe, yes, you heard right, I believe that anytime soon, probably here, we're gonna move $1,000 to the downside. But guys, I'm gonna give you exactly my targets, what I believe is gonna happen, and if this is gonna happen, I'm gonna analyze what is gonna happen next as a next move after that, and of course we're gonna analyze in the mid long term how I see the Bitcoin price, how low can go the Bitcoin price if we're gonna get to this maximum point, which I'm expecting a lot. If you would like to know all these things, all you have to do is to stay here until the end of the video. Before we jump to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way it will help me a lot to push the video to more people via YouTube algorithm, which is a very simple process. It's a daily like, daily comment, share with your friends. It's all I need guys, and I appreciate you for this help from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to all of you. And guys, let's start in the 4-hour time frame our analysis, because currently here, as you know, we had, and I will put it exactly on 2-hour time frame to show you what happened lately. We had this beautiful formation of rising wedge pattern, A move, B move, C move, and basically it formed perfectly in the 1-hour time frame, because I had analyzed this in the 1-hour time frame. I'm gonna do it the same. We had A move here, B move, C move, and we had the D move here, and a retest also to this major resistance area, and finally we saw this big drop of the price on the Bitcoin price. So as you know, and you actually can notice, we had this massive support area, and the time that we broke it, which was here, we had instant crash back to $20,400, and then afterwards we saw some slightly pump, which retesting currently the previous support as a resistance, which is a retracement, and we're gonna have probably a huge drop on the price of the Bitcoin. And guys, here I believe that we're gonna get with this kind of rejection, if we're gonna find actually guys weakness here to surpass this major $21,100, I believe instantly we're gonna come with big rejection back to $20,000. And I believe guys we're gonna find some consolidation phase. We won't get even more further to the downside, but after a couple hours or couple days of up and down of the price of the Bitcoin, we're gonna have another leg down to $90,000, and with that way, as you can clearly notice, if we're gonna zoom out, we're gonna start moving a downtrend movement with a big resistance that we're gonna hold here. This is exactly what I believe is gonna happen. We're gonna move with insane rejections, big rejections, consolidation phase. We're gonna retest this support of a downtrend movement, and we're gonna move like that until we're gonna get again under $17,000, $18,000, $16,000, and prices like that. And you're gonna ask me, okay, Chris, but what's the worst case scenario for you if you're gonna see a maximum pain? Guys, I had told you my scenarios. I had told you you're gonna get to this last capitulation, which I'm expecting a lot. I don't have any crazy anticipation about Bitcoin to drop under $10,000. I don't believe this is gonna happen. I believe my worst case scenario for the Bitcoin bottom is $12,000, and I don't have any more anticipation to see Bitcoin even more downwards. I believe we're gonna find big strength to Bitcoin, because we have lots of investors, and I don't believe nobody gonna sell on those low prices. Okay, that's why I believe that $12,000 is gonna be the worst case scenario, because big role also play the miners, okay, that most people ignore, and miners won't sell at those prices because they're gonna have crazy loss. And something that I would like to mention here, that doesn't mean guys that the altcoins won't crash. The altcoins in the maximum pain gonna crash massively over 95%, 96, 97, and most of the altcoins gonna crash 99%. Without being said that in the next bull run we won't have recoveries. All these altcoins probably gonna have a big recovery in the next bull run. But on the heaviest bear market, on the maximum pain, all these things getting the capitulation, so it's very obvious to happen. So guys, without losing more time on the general perspective, I would like to show you currently that the technical price target of this rising wedge pattern. For those who don't know what's this technical price target, probably are new to this channel, guys, it was exactly here the technical price target of around $20,000 area. So it's as you can understand, it's very obvious this retracement with to happen a rejection back to this area almost instantly. So you can understand that yes, I'm expecting to see this technical price target to get accomplished 100% anytime soon on this bear market. And guys, as I told you, let's say this other scenario which I give really low probabilities to happen, because guys, in technical analysis nobody can predict very accurate 100% the next move. Okay, it's not the God, only God can do that, because currently as you can see here, if I will come with billions and pump the price to the upside, nobody can predict that. Okay, but let's say the scenario that here we're gonna have any kind of whale manipulation and we're gonna have furthermore pump to the upside. Guys, I'm gonna still remain bearish. Do not panic if you're gonna see any kind of move like that, but have in your mind that this kind of move, I give it very low chances to happen, 10 within 15% of chances to happen. But if it's gonna happen, I'm gonna still remain very bearish. But to be honest with you, as I told you, with my probabilities, I believe 85%, 90% I'm gonna start getting to this downward movement. So that's all for this current 1 hour time frame. I'm gonna show you also this 4 hour time frame, this bearish divergence, that actually here we have very strong resistance of the RSI, which is forming beautifully, and I believe, and probably as you can clearly see, we won't surpass this support area, because if we're gonna surpass it, then we're gonna speak for another scenario for some very short-term bullish action. But I don't think that this is about to happen. I believe that we're gonna continue this downward movement until we're gonna get to an oversold position. So here I would like to show you also the daily time frame, and I'm gonna close the video, because here guys we have the RSI which is still in very huge overbought position. And guys, as you can clearly notice, we are standing again at 80 RSI point, which is insane number. Okay, we should get at least under 70, and guys, if we're gonna get at least under 70, probably we're gonna have here a huge sell-off. That's why I believe that $20,000 is very obvious to happen. I believe anytime soon that we're gonna have a big drop also to the price and also to the RSI, to 70 RSI points, and with that 70 RSI points, the $20,000 is very obvious. That's why I'm expecting what I'm expecting. So guys, that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any kind of question, drop it down below on the comment section. I will be happy to reply. And guys, see you tomorrow with my first updates. Until tomorrow, your boy Chris out. Bye.